All these clips you're watching were generated in just a few seconds using Perplexity AI's text-to-video tool. Perplexity AI is one of the most advanced AI platforms right now. It combines powerful search, creativity, and video generation all in one place. It's fast, smart, and perfect for creators who want to turn simple ideas into full cinematic stories in seconds. And here's the best part. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Perplexity AI Pro completely free for 1 month. So don't skip any part or your Pro account won't activate. Let's dive in and see how you can create your own AI movie from scratch. First, go to the description of this video and click on the Perplexity AI link. After that, you'll see an invitation link. Click on Claim Invitation. Next, sign up using your email address or your Google account. Once your email is confirmed, you'll need to download the Comet Browser on your Windows PC. Run the installer to install Comet Browser, and after installation, click on Launch Comet. Then, click on Get Started. You can either import your Chrome profile or select Do This Later. Type your profile name or leave it blank. Click Next, and finally click on Start Comet Browser. Now, to get your Pro account, log in with the same Google or email account you used when accepting the Perplexity AI invitation. After logging in, you might see a message asking you to upgrade your Perplexity account. Don't worry, simply start a chat in Perplexity AI, for example. Type, "Hello, how are you?" Then just refresh the page and you'll automatically receive 1 month of Perplexity AI Pro, completely free. Here's the proof. I asked Perplexity to create a funny cat video, and it actually generated the video for me. The best part is that you can earn $20 per referral by inviting new users to Perplexity AI. So go ahead, claim your Pro account, and let me know in the comments section whether you successfully got your free Pro account or not.